Hey guys, Glen, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a follow-up to my first review of the buyer click system. Since I've had it, I've actually put a lead or a website into the system, seeing what the tracking things. It just started delivering traffic, so it's actually one for one. So I got one click so far, and I've got a conversion on that. So the person did sign up. There has not been a sale yet, so just so you know. And I don't know how fast this traffic is going to come. It might have been I don't know how fast the traffic comes. Maybe I get 10 clicks a day, maybe I get 5 clicks a day. I'll just have to see. But anyway, so this is called buyer click system, and what it is, it's just basically a really simple way to get traffic to any offer you're promoting as an affiliate. I'm thinking it's probably mainly in the make money online niche, so systems and software about how to do landing pages, email, autoresponders, all that kind of stuff. So basically you pay $18 for it, you get 1,000 clicks, and then you're able to buy more clicks in the system, including unlimited clicks. So I'm thinking I'm gonna check it out for a couple more days and see how these leads do, see if there's a conversion. I've got it set up so there's a conversion. I can tell when someone opts in using a tag, and then I can see if they purchase, because that tag will then be triggered on the purchase. So anyway, let's get into it. I will show you the back office. When I first did my other review, I didn't have the back office set up. I've got it set up. I'll show you how I put the link in. I've just got one link running in the rotator right now. And so basically this is what it's at. But so far, everything looks good. One thing about it, the sales page is great. It's like for 18 bucks, you can't go wrong, guys. You get a lot of stuff in it. Let me show you the actual, this is the rotator. So right now I've had one hit delivered, and like I said, it opted in. There was 2 tests hits, but it opted. Let me just refresh it, see if another one's come in. Nope, just one hit so far, and that did. I'm not going to show you the emails, but yes, I've got one because I've got it tagged. And by the way, guys, if you're going to pick this up, my bonus is already in there. You're going to get my exact funnel system, which converts, and you're going to pay anywhere from $500 to $2,000 every day using this funnel system. So I'm going to give that to you. I'm going to give you that funnel system, and it's free. The only thing you have to do is buy a domain, or if you already have a domain, then you don't even need to buy a domain. But everything else is free in it. So that's the rotator. This is really easy to set up. You basically you create a portal, and you put a destination in that portal, and then that's how it's delivered. And then you share the portal link when you're buying your traffic. So when you do your buyer clicks setup here, you just set up your traffic automation here, and you put in the information there. So it's pretty easy system there. So basically it starts here. I think it's Frank. Frank does it's Frank, isn't it? I think it's named Frank Andres. I believe that's what it is. Yes. Sorry, brain fart. So go through. This talks about the traffic. The click tracking system is that's so interesting enough. The click tracking system, when the training on it shows you a different one, it shows you actually this traffic builder, which you can go in and set up a free account and do it that way, or you can use the in the bonuses here, the click tracking, and that's where you get to the rotator. That's the one I showed you. So that's where you get it there. One thing I noticed about this site though, guys, it opens a lot in the same window, so you end up having to back out. So I recommend, if you know how, just right click and put open in a new tab. That'll really help you on this site. Just some sites are like this. They build them and they don't open in a new tab, or the menu is not always there. So and then there's these other bonuses. I haven't gone through them all yet. And then the traffic setup shows you how to set up your traffic, which I just showed you. And then these are going to start opening up as this opens on April 23rd, and some of the other bonuses open like this better conversion, traffic mentoring. They all open at different times. So what is the system? It's just a buyer click system. You need traffic to your link. You don't know how to drive traffic very well. This is a really affordable way to get some traffic to your link. What's great about that is that once you get traffic to your link and you make some sales, then you can use that as proof on your social media, and you can get more people into your list and all that kind of stuff. So again, guys, if you Oh, in here too, they have a page builder, so you could use that if you don't want to use my bonus and use my exact system. They have a page builder, and where is it here? This one here, they have a whole training on it and all that kind of stuff. So there's your own landing page builder there that you can get for free, and that is it. So do I recommend it? Absolutely. 18 bucks. It's not the prettiest setup in the back office, but it just set it up. It's kind of set and forget it. You really just, you set up the traffic, you set up your rotator, you set up your traffic. If you don't know what you want to promote, if you're like, I don't even know what offer to promote, message me. That's why you want to use my bonus, because it walks you through. It shows you how to get the link to the best program I promote, which the program I promote leads to up to a $2,000 commission. So it's a very deep funnel that has a really good upsell on it. And that's where you make really great money. And that's what you want to be doing, is bringing in someone on a low priced item. And then if they choose to, they can use that low priced item, a quality item or quite a quality product. And then if they choose to and they want to go into it further, there's more training and they can get into it, and they get into coaching and mentorship and a fully done for you system where, and once you dabble in affiliate marketing, you're going to realize that that's where you want to go. You want to gravitate to that. I didn't really make money until I started investing in myself, investing in mentors, investing in coaching, getting coaches that have made really good money online and getting into their system and getting into their sort of ecosystem. Because then you start realizing, oh, this is how it really works, and you really start discovering you're not just scratching the surface. So that's the bonus for you guys. Definitely, I'll put a link below. Go pick it up. I've got another review where I just did the sales page, and I didn't quite have access to the back office, but there you go. Set up. I bought it. I'm using it. I will see what the traffic turns into. I'm thinking if it's already one click has been given and I got a sign up already. It's a real sign up. I'm thinking it's going to be good traffic, so we'll just have to see if it converts. But it also comes to me converting with my email series. And again, if you guys set up my funnel that I'm giving you, my bonus I'm giving you, you also get my email series. So you kind of get everything. You get a whole system on top of this traffic system. So it's kind of a win-win for you. And you get all of Frank's training, which is he's a top affiliate. He sells a lot of Warrior Plus stuff. I guess that is it for this one. So this has been my buyer click system review and bonus. Again, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you can give us a thumbs up, that'll really help the video get out there and help people. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.